Hey everyone, in this quick 2025 guide, I'll show you how to check in online using the EasyJet app so you can skip the airport lines and get your boarding pass fast. First, open the EasyJet app on your phone, log into your EasyJet account or tap check-in if you already have a booking. Next, select your upcoming flight. Tap check-in now, then enter your passport or ID details for all passengers. Make sure your information matches your travel documents exactly. Once confirmed, tap continue and review your flight details. Then choose your seat selection if you want to upgrade or stay with the free option. After that, EasyJet will confirm your check-in and show your mobile boarding pass right on the app. You can download it offline or add it to your Apple Wallet or Google Wallet for easy access at the airport. And that's it, you're all checked in on EasyJet. Fast, simple, and ready to fly.